Hello, I want to tell you about my journey from quitting my corporate job to doing side hustles because I love them. Okay, so one side hustle that I do is Amazon FBA, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. As you can see in the picture, these are some products that you can use to um, to sell on Amazon. But first, we're going to talk about how you start with Amazon FBA and what you need to do. So your first step would be to go to sell.amazon.com and sign up for an account. It's pretty straightforward. They're pretty specific about your name, your address. If you're a business or just an individual, business meaning if you got an LLC or not. And from there, once you get signed up, then you start doing product research. Now, the products that I look for, I use Keepa, which is at keepa.com. Some people use Helium. Some people use a lot of different things. Some people also do private label, which I don't do private label. I don't think that's the best route for a beginner. But what I do is go to the store, find products that sell for more expensive on Amazon, and then I send it into Amazon. They sell it. They send me money. Now, let's look at sourcing. Where would you source these from? Some people might tell you to go to Alibaba, and that's if you're doing private label. But I don't go to Alibaba. What I go to is local stores, local grocery stores, local clothing stores, TJ Maxx, Target, Walmart, and I pretty much anywhere that they sell goods that you can send in to Amazon, which you can pretty much send in just about anything, especially once you get ungated and things. So that's my spiel. So those are the three steps. Apply to sell on Amazon, do your product research, then source your products. Then you package those up and you send them into Amazon.